Right, here we have a Mk3 Golf VR6. Well, meant to be a VR6, not much left of it at the minute. Previous work that's been done. And this was meant to be a restoration, I think, because obviously it had welding done, full respray. And yeah, you can just see all the patches in the sills, just, yeah. That panel there is all meant to be one to here. You can just see a spot weld there. And obviously they've cut it short there, not bother taking any of that off. That's all one piece. You can buy the panels, which are there. They finish round about here. There's no jacking point left anywhere there, with the pressings totally gone. Other side's in worse state. Just amazing. Well, I say it amazes me what people do, but it don't now. State of it. There, finishes there. And again, look, rest of it's rotten. It was probably quicker to drill these spot welds out. In fact, it would have been to drill all these spot welds out along here and replace the full shebang. But no. And then just do all that along there. Yeah, so the rear arch as well, none of that lines up with the bumper or the trim. Fitted the repair panel halfway up the quarter, like, you're not really meant to. So this is why there's a quarter panel here, that's all going to get unpicked. Refitted into that. Sills. All the panels there. Well, I can't say again, but everything, it's just rough, everything that they've done.